Traditionally, Genovese sauce is made with meat, but Mom wants to see if replacing the meat with tuna can give the same great flavor as the original recipe. So the first thing we need to do is clean a nice fresh little tuna. Don't be discouraged in trying this recipe if you cannot find fresh tuna. You can also do it with a good quality canned tuna in oil. If you want to cook with us, get ready with the ingredients!
Ciao a tutti! Today I prepare Genovese with tuna. It's long preparation. I started 2 hours ago. I show you what I do. Follow me. This is my Genovese. You listen to this strange noise? It's not noise. La mia Genovese è Pippa. Ho ripreso tutto con questa telecamera qua. Se volete sapere come si fa la genovese, iniziamo e ve lo racconterò step by step.
Let's look at the ingredients. Of course you need tuna. You will need pasta in big shapes because they are able to hold this incredible sauce better than the smaller shapes. Lots of onions, which are key for the Genovese sauce. Celery, carrot with onions again, and extra virgin olive oil are used to make sofrito. Curcuma and ginger will be used to make the fish stock. And there are a few more ingredients. Check out the video description below with the full list of ingredients and respective quantities. Time to cook!
Step number 1.
In this step, we prepare the tuna. Some of it is cut in chunks, which will be cooked with the onions to make the Genovese sauce. The rest of the tuna is cut into smaller pieces for the tartare.
I prepare tartara in very simple way. Just 3 ingredients. Tuna, lemon skin and olive oil. I like so much the smell of lemon.
Mom had stored this tuna in the freezer for 48 hours to make it safe to eat raw. This process kills dangerous parasites.
I put the tartar in the fridge until I will need for use. Step number 2.
Now we prepare the fish stock. While the fire is still off, put extra virgin olive oil, turmeric, carrot, leek, celery, spring onion, and if you like it, lemongrass folded and tied with itself. Add the tuna fish bone and 3 liters of water. And to finish, a bay leaf and some cloves. Turn on the fire. When it reaches the boiling point, simmer for 20 minutes. Do not put salt in this fish stock now, because salt would boost the flavor of tuna too much to the point of being unpleasant. Drain the fish stock. Some of it will be used to cook the Genovese sauce, and the remaining, which is most of the stock, will be used to cook the pasta. Watch this video to know all the secrets of an Italian fish stock. Step
number 3. I prepare the onion. I use the traditional onion and some variety of onion.
Coppery onions are the ones traditionally used for this recipe, and that works perfectly. But for a change, Mom wants to mix some leek and spring onion. Cut all the onions. For 4 people, you'll need 1 kilo of onions. It's quite a job for this recipe. A few tears will be shed for sure, but these tears will turn into tears of joy after eating this dish.
For my Genovese, I need the trito.
Trito in Italian means chopped or ground. It's made with 3 vegetables, celery, carrots, and onions, which are finely chopped by hand. We can reuse some of the onion chopped earlier.
Coming with me.
Let's see what Mom has done with these ingredients 2 hours ago. First of all, you need to fry the trito, which becomes sofrito.
If you want to know how to prepare sofrito, to watch in this video.
Now add all the onions and the tuna in chunks and let simmer for at least 2 hours. The longer the better. Mix every now and then during simmering to avoid that it gets stuck. In this video, we don't pull a lid for your viewing pleasure, but it's better to simmer covering with a lid. Add a little fish stock if it gets too dry.
The Genovese is ready. I turn off the fire and I put a little salt. Che profumino! I want to show you something. Il tonno non si è per niente spappolato, i pezzi sono rimasti interi. Cottura perfetta. Step number 4. Adesso preparo una salsa che costituirà il fondo del nostro piatto. Qual è l'idea? Voglio preparare una salsa a base di vino bianco secco, una punta di peperoncino, un po' di più per chi ama il peperoncino come me, un goccio di limone. Perché questo? Ho pensato di voler contrastare il sapore dolce delle cipolle con il piccante del peperoncino e il sapore un po' aspro del vino bianco secco.
Drain the Genovese sauce. You will get a brownish liquid. Put it aside. Then, cut a lemon and chop a chili pepper. Put olive oil. Add the cornstarch and mix. Add the chili pepper and a glass of white wine. Mix. Add the liquid left by the Genovese sauce. You don't need much of it. Squeeze some drops of lemon and keep mixing to avoid lumps. In the worst case, use a sieve to remove them. At the end, you'll get a sauce, which is a bit thick like this.
Buono, ci vuole un po' di sale.
To cook pasta, we use the fish stock instead of just water. Drain the pasta just before it gets al dente and put it in the Genovese sauce at high fire. Mix. Add a bit of fish stock to continue cooking the pasta in the sauce and prevent it from drying up too much. Maybe tossing it all in a large pan instead of using this small pot would be more scenic, but the result does not change. And here you go! We are ready! After staring at this dish, there's only one thing left to do. Eat it!
Magna magna moment! I try? La genovese? Really nice. Fresh tartar. Buonissima. Se volete, potete non fare il fondo e proseguire semplicemente condendo la pasta con la nostra genovese e la nostra tartara. Sicuramente la tartara non escluderei, mi piace tantissimo, ma mi piace molto anche il contrasto che si è venuto a creare con il piccante e il sapore un po' aspro del vino che va a contrastare con il sapore dolce della cipolla. E la cottura del tonno è fantastica, non si è distrutta ma si scioglie letteralmente in bocca. If you like this video, give me a like. If you want to watch more Italian recipe, subscribe. And don't forget to push the bell. Every day is a sunny day in Tony's home. Ciao!